Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable print login in Event Viewer on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable print login in Event Viewer, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here Event Viewer. Click on this Event Viewer. In left side you will find application and service logos. Just double click on that. This you can see here, application and service logos. Double click on that. After that you will find Microsoft. You can see here Microsoft. Double click and expand. In this you will find the Windows. Double click and expand. You have to scroll down. In this you have to find print service. You can see print service, just single click on that. Here you will find operational in right side, just double click on that or right click here, click on property. In this you will find enable login. If in your case it is selected as this check mark, you have to just uncheck it, then click on apply, click OK and close this window, restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable print login in Event Viewer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.